Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GCAN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level, meaning if you were to say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price could stay up above 22 cents. With that being said, if the price does drop below 22 cents, I'm not saying the entire chart's ruined or broken or anything like that. I'm just saying, preferably speaking, yeah, if the price could manage to actually stay above 22 cents, that would be a huge sign of power. Next level of support after that would be the bottom portion of this consolidation phase right here around 18 cents. So 24 cents, or I must have grabbed the wrong line there. There we go. 22 cents and 18 cents, two of the near-term levels of support. Taking a step back, though, and looking at things from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, this right here being defined as quote-unquote the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How are you going to best visualize that? No questions asked. Again, yeah, staying above 22 cents would be great, but grand scheme of things viewpoint, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? In terms where the sellers are hanging out at, right now, the majority of them seem to be right around the 30-cent mark. I realize the price did technically go above there, but I think we'd all agree the main general area of price congestion seems to be right up around that 30-cent mark, give or take a little bit. So that'll be public enemy number one going into tomorrow. All in all, though, no denying it. Nice move today, not only from the price perspective, but also volume. So now it's just a question of whether or not the bulls can build upon this momentum going forward. We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.